Roben Farzad, how do you see it potentially changing the landscape or not, especially for anyone who is looking for the opportunity to buy a house going into the new year?
Yeah, the $16 trillion question for me is this stimulative on balance, or is the Fed in kind of its defense going back to what neutral is, whatever normal neutral was coming out of that pandemic and the rate hikes that we had to sustain in 2022. And I think that if anything, you look at the markets right now, you look at real estate, which is tight, you look at maybe what the gold and silver markets have been telling us. Do you really need stimulus in this environment? Certainly capital holders are very happy. You know what, Heath and us, we're here talking about people at the lower end, the working class who desperately needs that. And I was never convinced that the interest rate, it's enough of a surgical tool to help people at the lowest end, where we had other things such as the earned income tax credit or targeted fiscal stimulus or incentives for people to hire and keep workers out there. So I wonder, and I wonder how it's going to play out in the housing market, where if you've been waiting on the sidelines, if you don't want a 7% mortgage or a 6.5% mortgage, and you're romancing the idea of a 5.5% mortgage, well, you're still competing with other people while prices are really high. And certainly the stock market's been doing well with interest rates where they have been. So I really, really wonder about this.
Martha
And by the
Gambrell.
way, the
Oh,
interest
yeah,
rate
go
is
ahead.
very high still. It's very high. I mean, a 5% interest rate is not low if you think
Right.
about it. I mean, think about
People
what
are
it
still
was like
enjoying that
before the
3%.
pandemic.
Right.
Yeah.